Hello guys, and welcome back to module number 3. In this module we are going to study about how we can install a theme, or we can select a theme and install it in our store. And also I would be covering about some premium themes which we can select and use it in our theme store. So let's get started without wasting any time. So by default, Shopify comes up with this Dawn theme install, which we can customize. But right now I'm not doing that. I'm gonna talk about where to get the themes. Basically, you can see the theme over here. I recommend you should be using Shopify theme store in order to purchase any theme, because they are being already checked and monitored by Shopify itself, and they are performance efficient, and they are very good for conversion. So try to use the theme which are from Shopify, not from other platforms. So I would be using some of the free themes. So for example, I'll just install this theme. In order to install this free theme, we can simply click on add, and with that it should start the installation steps. And once it is being installed, we can also publish it and also customize it. We do have the option to keep a backup of a theme, so we can keep a backup of the theme by clicking on the 3 dots and clicking on duplicate, or maybe we can download the theme. So we have lots of options over here. I'm gonna talk in detail when I cover these customized steps, but for now we are just installing the theme, and this is the free theme being installed. And if I want to publish this theme, I can simply click on publish, and once I click on publish, it would be automatically published. And now I can customize this theme and get things started with this particular theme. I can go ahead and click on customize, and from here on I have the option to customize our overall look and feel of the website. So that's what we are going to talk later on, but this step was to install the theme. So this was for the free theme. In order to get premium themes, we can go to visit our theme store from Shopify, and once we are there, we'll see a lot of themes coming up over here with particular category, the industry, the category size, the features we want, and all other like Shopify Plus, so combined listing, etc., are included in this. So we should be selecting any theme which suits our requirements. For now, I'll use only the free theme, but I'll tell you how to install a premium theme. It's just as simple as clicking on the theme you want and clicking on try theme. Once you click on try theme, it will automatically install the theme in your theme store. So let's see. It should automatically install it in our store. So it's already installed, and we do see the option to buy this theme, and it will also come up with the customize part, because we can simply customize it, but in order to publish the theme, we need to buy the theme. So we can play around with the theme for free and test it out if that suits our requirements. Usually most of the premium theme covers up everything from customization to all other stuff which are being required for a customer or for your business. So possibly you can go with a paid theme, but in this tutorial I'll cover with the free theme, so that you are able to even customize your free theme to look like a premium theme. So and ensure that it does also have a good CRO. So yeah, it would be optimized with all the features which should be there. So yeah, that's completely installed, and once we click on the buy, it should simply buy the theme. And once you buy the theme, you'll be able to download it also and keep a copy of that as well. So with that, I think so this module is covered, and let's head back to module 4, and we'll study a lot more in module 4. So till then, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.